Amendment 16 grants Congress the authority to collect an income tax without apportioning it among the states. It significantly expanded federal taxing power and permanently altered the balance between the federal government and the people, making it one of the most consequential amendments in American history. Amendment 16, Income Tax Simplified, ratified in 1913, added to the Constitution of the United States. What the amendment says, plain language: Congress has the power to collect taxes on income from any source without dividing the tax among the states and without relying on population counts. Back-end index pointing right, this allows the federal government to tax individual and corporate income directly. What this means in simple terms: before this amendment, most federal taxes had to be apportioned among the states, or based on tariffs and excise taxes. Amendment 16 removed that restriction for income taxes. The federal government can now tax wages, salaries, profits, and other income directly. Why Amendment 16 was added? The federal government wanted a steady and flexible revenue source. Industrialization created new forms of wealth that were difficult to tax under the original Constitution. Supporters argued income taxes would shift burden from tariffs to wealthier earners. What Amendment 16 does: authorizes a federal income tax, removes the requirement of state apportionment for income taxes, expands federal revenue power, enables modern taxation systems, IRS, tax codes. What Amendment 16 does not do: it does not require Congress to tax income. It permits, not mandates. It does not limit how high income taxes may be set. It does not require equal tax rates. It does not override other constitutional protections. Back-end index pointing right, it grants power, but does not restrain its use. Biblical and constitutional insight: taxation is legitimate. Scripture recognizes lawful taxation, Romans 13 verses 6-7. But power must be limited. Excessive taxation is warned against, 1 Samuel 8 verses 15-17. Stewardship: citizens and rulers alike answer to God for how resources are used. Liberty at risk: expanded revenue power often leads to expanded government power. In one sentence, Amendment 16 allows Congress to tax income directly without apportioning the tax among the states, greatly expanding federal taxing authority.